Alright, 26%. I gotta make this fast. This will probably be only a 10-minute video because I think that's all the GoPro has time for. Unfortunately, I forgot to charge it. So, with that being said, let's get on the road, let's start recording, and let's get this video made, and hopefully the GoPro does not die on you guys. Yes, I know it's my bad, I forgot to charge it, but you know, sometimes things like that happen. And apparently, unfortunately, today is one of the days that happened. So she's on 26%. Let's see if we do it. Let's see if we get a decent video made. And a decent video will be at least 10 minutes. Trust no one. You gotta always be super cautious. Just make sure they stop. Bust a left just for the heck of it. Do I know where left goes? No, but hopefully we get this video made. Before the GoPro dies. Because, like I said, there's 26% left of life in the GoPro, so I have to keep my eye on it. I would really prefer it not to die on you guys and me end the ride, instead of it dying on us and ending it that way. Let's see here. Getting pretty low, and it's on 4 minutes of recording. This is gonna be a close one. It looks like she's on like 15%. Please don't die on me. Please don't die on me. Please just stay alive for like 6 more minutes. Please GoPro, don't die on me. Just stay alive for 6 more minutes and we're chilling. We're chilling. 6 more minutes. 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 6 more minutes even upload it tomorrow for tomorrow, who knows. But this video right here will be going on the flash drive, so it's not going to be a big issue if it dies on us. I just will delete the video because it won't be long enough. But on the hand, I'd prefer not for it to die on us, because then we would actually have a video that we could put for the flash drive. I don't know why my left signal is on, I just caught that. Sometimes you forget when you turn on a bike, you forget that you gotta push the button again to turn the signal off, compared to where in a car it will just automatically go off for you. I wish the bike was the same way. I don't know if there's any bikes out there that like have sensors in the steering, so when you turn the way you're turning, it turns off on you, the signal turns off for you. Or if they're all the same where you gotta turn them off by yourself. The sunset. Here, let me pull over real quick and see where we're at, guys. I just want to see how long. What's the video at? We're going on 7 minutes and the GoPro's at like 12%, I want to say. Maybe 15%, I don't know, but we're going on 7 minutes. Just stay on for like 3 more minutes, GoPro, and then we could end the video, have a video for the flash drive to put on there, and we'll be good. But if it does die on us before we end it, I hope everybody enjoyed this ride, and I hope everybody had a great day. And I also hope everybody likes the video too. That would be much appreciated. Subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell notification button so you guys don't miss out on a video upload. Because there will be a time where winter is here, and I'm not sure if we're going to have enough videos to hold us through 4 months. Now, I will still figure out something to do, but it's not going to be an everyday upload. It'll probably be like a special, maybe a car ride on a Friday or something, you know, just to catch up. But with that being said, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that bell notification button is switched to all. That being said, I'm gonna let you go ahead and go. 8 minutes. We are going on 8 minutes. We just need 2 more minutes. Hopefully you could stay on until we cross this street light or intersection. So I get down like that way so I can pull over. Stay alive for that long, GoPro. And as soon as we get back, I'll throw you on the charger and charge you to 100. So tomorrow when we record Saturday's video, it'll be on 100%, so we'll be able to go places. And yes, I already knew before I left today for this ride. I already knew that it was low, so I already knew we was going to be on the time limit, but that's alright. Tomorrow, I'll make sure it's 100% fully charged. We're on 9 minutes. I think we'll be able to do it, guys. I'm just gonna say this right now before we end the ride, so I'm pretty much ending the ride right here. I hope everybody had a great day. I hope you all enjoyed this ride, and I hope this ride brightens your day up a little bit if you're not having a good day. I hope I made it a little better. Look at that sunset. And look at that sexy Dodge Charger in front of me. That one day will be my car. that's a nice car too. We got a biker coming up here, right? No, there was not a biker coming up. The sun was in my eye. Well, guys, I feel like we're on 10 minutes of recording, so I'm just gonna end the ride here. I hope you guys had a great day. I'm not sure when you guys will be seeing this ride. It'll be sometime when it's cold out. But with that being said, hope you all had a great day, have a great night, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.